The next one is about innovation. What is innovation? So I have one question. What is the business model innovation? Can anyone describe what business model innovation is? So actually, this is the main topic of this session, so it's no worry. You can, even though you cannot answer. So I will explain later. But how about this? So what is the innovation? Maybe you have already studied many things about innovation, and then through this course or maybe the other courses in your institution. And so honestly speaking, innovation has many aspects. So usually the innovation is based on the latest technology like artificial intelligence, data science, something like that. But at the same time, innovation is also caused by some kind of the logistics and also the many aspects of improvement of the work style like Kaizen as well. So I would like to show some examples of innovation. The first one is Kaizen by Toyota. Do you know Kaizen? Kaizen is a Japanese word which means continuous improvement. So Kaizen is a philosophy that helps to ensure maximum quality, the elimination of waste, and improvement in efficiency or productivity, both in terms of equipment and work procedures. Kaizen improvements in standardized work help maximize productivity at every work site, in factories, in any workplaces. Standardized work involves following procedures consistently, and therefore employees can identify the problems promptly. That is why the company can reduce the cost and get more profit with these Kaizen activities. So usually the Toyota's Kaizen is explained as one of the innovation. So that is why, especially in Indonesia, there are so many Japanese-oriented cars, right? So like from Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Mazda, everything are from Japan. And car manufacturers in Japan are following the Toyota's way of the Kaizen. The next one is Toyota Prius. So maybe you know that Prius is one of the most popular hybrid vehicles in the world. The Toyota Prius is a full hybrid electric automobile developed and manufactured by Toyota since 1997. Actually, when I was a high school student, Toyota Prius was released. So that is why I was very shocked, because the automobiles are usually manufactured or developed by the machine engineers. However, the Prius is driven by also the electricity. That is why many electrical engineers are also contributing to development of the Prius. That is why I also started to be interested in the electrical and electronic engineering, and this is one of the main reasons to start to major the electrical and electronic engineering for my Bachelor, Master, and Ph.D. Okay, anyway, so in 2007, the United States Environmental Protection Agency and California Air Resources Board rated the Prius as among the cleanest vehicles sold in the United States based on the smoke forming emissions. The 2018 model year, Prius Eco ranks as the second most fuel-efficient gasoline-powered car available in the US without plugging capability. So in this case, in this example, the Prius is a new product. So with this new product, Toyota created the innovation to the market. So I think that this one is very clear, because the product itself is very new. The third one, the example 3, the Tesla electric vehicle. So maybe the Tesla is very popular recently, and Elon Musk, the owner of the Tesla, can be seen many news or the YouTube. So anyway, so after 11 years in the market, Tesla ranked as the world's best-selling plug-in and battery electric passenger car manufacturer in 2019. Both as a brand and by automotive group, with a market share of the 70% of the plug-in segment and 23% of the battery electric segment. So actually the Tesla has a new product with this electric vehicle, but this is not that like that. So I mean, Tesla also implemented many things to electric vehicle. For example, Tesla has focused on offering the best technology ever to go into a car, like autopilot mode. So this electric vehicle is driven by the autopilot mode, and this electric vehicle also has a dashboard screen, which features a slew of clever applications. So it's like a smartphone. And also, this electric vehicle is connected to the smartphone as well. It's like, for example, the smart summon. So you can move your car out a parking space using a phone application automatically. So this electric vehicle is very smart with many applications from smartphone and the electric vehicle itself. This is very new concept actually, and then the Tesla implemented many things to the electric vehicle. So of course the product itself, I mean as an automobile driven by full electricity, of course it's very new. But at the same time, Tesla also implemented many things to this electric vehicle. It's like a smartphone. So this is treated as an innovation as well. So I have shown 3 different innovations. The first one is Toyota Kaizen, the second one is Toyota Prius, and the third one is Tesla electric vehicle. So my question is, what is the innovation? Okay, I think you have already studied a lot about the innovation. So actually the innovation are usually categorized to 3 types. The first one is process innovation. The second one is product innovation. And the third one is business model innovation. So the first one that I've shown, the Toyota Kaizen is categorized to the process innovation. So actually, even though the Kaizen, with the Kaizen activities, the cost can be reduced and then the profit can be increased. The product itself is the same, only the process was changed. This kind of the innovation can be described as the process innovation. The second one, the Prius, the case. So the case of the Prius is described as a product innovation. So of course the former automobile is just driven by the gasoline, but the Prius is both gasoline and electricity. The product itself was changed. So in that case, because the product was changed, so we can call it this kind of the innovation as a product innovation. And the third one, the business model innovation. It's a bit complicated because the Tesla released the electric vehicle. The product itself is also changed, but at the same time, Tesla treated the electric vehicle of the company as like a smartphone. So the many kind of the new things were implemented to electric vehicle. That is why the business model itself was changed. So in that case, we can call this kind of the innovation business model innovation. Okay, I'll explain later about this. So anyway, actually the innovation can be categorized to 3 types: the process innovation, product innovation, and business model innovation. Actually, the process innovation and product innovation can be identified very easily, because the process innovation, only the process was changed, then the product is still same, like Kaizen. Product innovation, process is still same, or maybe they just follow the new product, and the product itself was changed. So it's very easy to understand. But the business model innovation is very complicated, so I will explain about this in the next topic.